Welcome back. We have talked in the past about fundraising dinners and walks and runs and a variety of other ways groups have used to come up with money. I think we've got a new one here. Melissa Birdsell here from Voices of Courage Children's Advocacy Center, a new way you can help. Where'd you come up with this idea? And first, let's tell folks what you're going to ask them to do here.
We are putting on an event called Over the Edge, and it is a rappelling event. We're going to rappel down 8 stories down the side of the Hilliard building downtown.
So just kind of Spider-Man it down the side here.
Right down the side.
And so you're going to ask people then to do this, and then they get people pledging?
Yeah, you raise $1,000 per rappeller. And so we have, right now we've got about 22 signed up to do that. We have a few others who are going down. Their company has sponsored them, so they'll be going down as well. We're right on that, around the 30 mark. We'd like to have about 10 more brave souls come out and do that with us.
Now, I know Mike Praciano doesn't like snakes. He doesn't like bugs and spiders, but he's gonna try this.
He is.
How exciting is that?
Very excited.
And we can't even give him a hard time about today. He's ran to Boston to get himself psyched up for it. So you are looking for people to do this, yeah?
Yes, we are. This is going to be a big fundraiser for us. We're very hopeful for the outcome of that. We have a lot of different needs, and we need to have fundraisers in order to meet those needs.
Now, things have kind of changed at the Children's Advocacy Center over the past year. A new name, really, a little bit.
Name.
Number one, Voices of Courage, for folks that might not be familiar. But let's just talk about what you do there on a day-to-day basis.
Sure. We did change names just this year in April, and we've been, prior to that, the Northwest Missouri Children's Advocacy Center, which has been in existence for 25 years. So we work with children who've been abused or through trauma, and we provide mental health services for those kids, and we provide forensic interviews in those cases, do all that free of charge for kids.
I think it'd be shocking with how many kids actually come through your center.
Yes, we'll probably hit 700 kids through the interview process this year, and about 150 or so through mental health.
That's more than a couple a day.
That's more.
All right, well, obviously that does take funding if you do it all for free, and so that's why we're going over the edge.
That's right.
Here, and that's coming up October 27th at Hilliard. You can walk downtown and stare up and see what you're going to get yourself into.
That's right.
But 8 stories down.
8 stories down.
And we've got the phone number up there for folks to participate, 232-1744.
1744.
All right.
We've got an open house this Friday afternoon to show off our newly renovated area. If somebody is interested, they can come out at 3 o'clock and visit with us about it.
All right. Melissa Birdsell from the Children's